Conquering Mount Scrapper with Brenda. I'm Brenda, and we're here today with another episode of Quilters Challenge. Oh my god, yes, it's Quilters Challenge. Now, it's Kelley from Kelley's Quilts Plus, Crafts and Quilts Plus. Now, she has come up with a challenge of denim. Denim! Like blue jean denims. And I'm like, okay, so, but first let's get to our shoutouts and all the rest of the stuff. Kathy at the Greenland Quilter and Andy at True Blue Quilts. Both these guys, you gotta go check them out. And if you're not watching or subscribed to them, hit their subscribe button and give them some words of love and encouragement too. These guys have just been doing such an awesome job with their channel, and they have just a lovely voice about quilting. So the next thing that we've got to talk to you about is Happy Scrappy Overflow will start May 13th. May 13th, yes! May 13th is not that far away. So, yes, I'm really excited about how that one's going to be going out, because everybody, we've been hitting our strings for quite a bit, and we'll probably be hitting our strings and crumbs again. So that one is coming out, and it's going to be lots of fun. Our first Zoom So dates are the first Saturday of every month from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, because I'm in Alberta, Canada. Making comments, thumbs up, share, like, subscribe. Hype is new. Hit the hype button and hit the bell so you don't miss content. All of these things help our analytics, and it pushes our video forward so we can continue bringing fun free patterns 3 times a week to other quilters. Yes, we're having so much fun doing this for you guys. We also have a Facebook group, and the admin said, please answer the questions, agree to the rules, otherwise I can't let you in, right? So, I mean, that's pretty much where we're at. A virtual sewing room is in there, hosted by Discord. We have fun community chats and fabric exchanges, and we just have a ball in there. Like, we have so much fun. So if you're part of that Facebook community, you got to go join the Facebook group. I speak for free to quilting guilds and quilting groups, and if you want to get a hold of me for a speaking engagement, please hit the About tab, because that holds my email address, or you can message me through the Facebook group. I'm much faster at Facebook than I am at email. Also, if you guys have shout outs, please send me the link and their name. I would love to give these people shout outs that are your favorites, right? I mean, we end up looking at all sorts of different people here with all of our viewers. And yes, I'd be happy to give them a shout out if you send them our way. Send them my way. It has to be a quilting channel, right? Not, you know, sewing and a bunch of other stuff in there. Just a quilting channel. We're trying to give back to our quilting community. Also, this challenge that we're doing, this is not the only challenge that I'm involved with, or collaboration. The other collaboration I'm involved with is called Back to Basics. Now, Donna from Handmade by Yang with Donna is running that one. We are having so much fun over there. And they're really good skill builder topics for beginners. And for guys who've been around the block for a while that may have picked up a few bad habits like myself. So, this is a perfect one for you guys to go watch. So all of the people that are listed in there below for the Back to Basics, please subscribe to them, and that way you're not going to miss any of their Back to Basic videos either. Now, this challenge, for the Quilters Challenge, this one involves Future Cat from New Zealand, Kelley from Kelley's Quilts Plus, of course, Sam Alberts, Deb from Sewing with Debbie, Michelle from Bits and Pieces, and Kelley from Silly Moon Quilting, and of course yours truly. So I'm trying to participate in all the Quilters challenges, and today was denim. A funny story happened. I looked around, because we get these hints a little bit beforehand, right? So we can just drop a video. I started looking around my sewing room, and I have zero denim. Zero denim. So I asked my husband, and he came up with a pair of blue jeans or two that, you know, came out. And I was like, it's all the same color. It's all, like, there's no variation of color here whatsoever. And then my community service person gave me a beautiful bag of denim. And I thought, okay, I said, can I play with this? And she said, of course you can. You're going to do whatever you want to do with that bag anyway. So I decided to play. Now, I had a whole bunch of English paper piece flowers, you know, the 6-petal flowers with the center. And I thought, wouldn't this be cute to applique onto these denim squares? But I didn't have enough squares, so I'm like, okay, what can I add to these hexy flowers to make this more interesting and play around and have just a good time with it? And in my crumb bins, I keep a bucket just for pictures, you know, things that I can add in for interest for a kid, for I Spy quilts or whatever. And they're all different sizes, and of course you put little borders around them and you make them fit, and they look really cute in a quilt. I'm sitting there like, I could do that. I could have all sorts of fun putting in, appliquing in, like through top stitching, right? All these fun little things. So, do you wanna, now, we should first show you the challenge video, and the challenge video is going to be inserted here.
Hi there everyone. I am Kelley from the Fraser Valley of British Columbia in Canada. I have a challenge for you. I have been saving up old denim for a while, jeans that don't fit, ripped, etc. And I want to make a project out of them. I have decided what I want to make, and my challenge is for you to do the same. Gather up your old denim or go to the thrift stores, get what you need, make a project of your choice, and have fun. Good luck, everyone!
That's her challenge. Oh my goodness. That was quite the challenge. So, I decided I could build a quilt from what the denim squares the community service person gave me, and I was wondering if you would like to see it, because I think it's pretty cool. So, let me just get this up, and I'll get my hubby to help. And I decided to do a color wash because it's all different colors. So here's my, okay, we gotta go this way. So here's where you start, and I've got like, you know, I've got stuff like this, you know, where is it? This one. Here, where there's little gratitude and a little log cabin and different things. Let's hold it down. Hold it down. Okay, now there's a bee on his side, right there. You know, there's all sorts of cute little things. And of course, we've got some, and it goes into a darker tone on the next row. We've got a hen and chick and a peacock. And what is that? What is that one there? It's a horse and a hummingbird, of course, you know. And we've got elephants and cats and another bee and another just fun scene. Okay, and flip it over. Oh, this is getting heavy. It's heavy just holding it up. So we've got strawberry seeds and horses and chickens and another bee, and we've got a pineapple, and we've got all sorts of fun stuff. Oh, a loon, a clothesline, and the last little bit is just like that. The last little bit, oh, there we go. We've got some ladybugs on this side. And like I say, I didn't have enough hexies, but I had enough for some cute little scenes, like the lady hand quilting and all this stuff. And I thought, oh, wouldn't this look cute? Wouldn't this look cute? Now, I don't know if Kelley is going to envision this, but since I had nothing and I came up with this, I think I've completed that challenge. And wow, is that thing heavy. To finish this quilt, what they'll probably do, because it is heavy now, like I can't hold it up for long to show people. So what I would suggest to them is no batting, just a backing and loosely free motion quilt over it if possible. Because, you know, I finish these backs, but, you know, like there's a lot of seam there. So I'm like, oh dear, that could be kind of tough to get around. But now, when I sewed these blocks together, instead of our traditional 1/4 inch, I did a 1/2 inch. That's something important, because this is like, you got to kind of go back to how would I sew a garment. Now, the other thing I found with denim is notorious for lycra. You know, the stretchy part inside ladies' denims that make it fit better. That's what's in denim nowadays. So none of this denim really has any, you know, 100% cottons. So that's kind of a thing to kind of watch out for as well. But yeah, I'm going to recommend that you not put any batting in this, because this is getting really heavy already. Now, this is a larger than a crib size, but smaller than a twin. So it would be perfect to give somebody who's in a crib and then they're moving to their big boy or big girl bed. That would make something familiar, or they could use this as a couch throw, because it's lots of fun, silly patterns and all sorts of different flowers. And I thought this would be really cute for someone. And I do hope they love it. I enjoyed making this. I actually did. I thought Kelley came up with such a great idea and a great challenge. But I panicked because I didn't have any denim. And then the denim came to me. I was like, I'm so blessed and so happy that I was able to make a quilt out of this and be able to donate it to charity. So this is what this channel is about, is making quilts and donating them to charity. So this is kind of where, if you're kind of wondering what this place is about, this is it. So I think this would be really cute for a child or an adult. And, you know, it's just fun. It's just fun to use up this kind of stuff in your sewing room. So, I think that's it. We've covered everything, and I think I got the challenge down. I am anxious to see what everybody else comes up with on the denim challenge. This has been such a fun challenge to do. I am just amazed at all the really cool ideas that are coming out all the time, and what the challenge means to you. That's so important. This is my idea. What does that mean to you? So I thought, okay, yeah, this is great. So anyways, you guys, I hope you are giving these challenges a try and kind of looking around your own sewing room going, what if I did this, or what if I did that? Because that's what this is about. It's about having fun, playing, and being creative. So until we meet again, I hope you guys stay well. Your 1/4 inch is just perfect, and you win bob and chicken every once in a while, because wow, I haven't won it for a week. Okay, so you guys take care. All right, stay well too. Okay, bye bye. My husband and I would like to thank you for all of your support and watching our videos and sharing and liking. It has just been, you've put us on such an amazing journey, and we are having so much fun. I hope everything is going so well in your life, and you know, your 1/4 inch is perfect. Everything is working out for you. And we're just so happy to be part of your life, and you having, like I say, you're watching us. I was just so thrilled that you're doing that. So I want to say goodbye, and I want to thank you with all my heart. Okay? Take care. Bye.